turn it off before you unplug.
Okay.
And then, so you start unplugging all this.
All right. That's two.
Yeah. And there's the power cord to the back.
Okay, headphones go in this bag.
And then
Headphones go in that bag. There's the headphones.
so this next one will go in here. Don't touch any. Make sure the knobs don't touch any of the knobs. Okay. So you take this, put this one here first. Make sure this one is the first way you're gonna put there before.
Can you take that off? I can hear you better.
And make sure this one is really heavy, so you have to put that one first before you put this one. Okay?
Okay.
On top of it. This one goes in here. And then these two loose cords. This short, the white and the black one. You could just put it here. Okay. Then your mouse goes in here.
Turn that off.
Yep. And then this one also.
For the Sony headphones.
Yep.
And the Sony headphones are in here. I can't do that and hold the camera at the same time.
So we're gonna put this one. Okay. Then this one. Try to fit everything in here.
Okay, and that goes in the gym bag. And that goes in the gym bag. Where are the remotes?
Close this.
There should be how many?
Three for now. Put it here. Because the other one is for the basement, which we don't use.
That's it?
Yeah.
What are the three remotes? What brands are they? The basement one is what? So stay away from
Samsung.
what? Base one is Samsung?
Yeah.
So stay away from that.
Yeah. But this one is also Samsung.
Oh.
That one is Sony, and then the other one is LG.
All right, thank you.
Okay.